You're listening to AKUMAA ZIMBI, God's finest and your number one talk show presenter in Ghana. Better and inspirational.
The most romantic voice on radio, the distinguished radio presenter, and the lady with the most educational, motivational, and entertaining program. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome Mama ZIMBI!
Let us pray. O Almighty Lord and everlasting God, vouchsafe we beseech Thee to direct, sanctify, and govern both our hearts and bodies in the ways of Thy laws and in the works of Thy commandments, that through Thy most mighty protection, both here and ever, we may be preserved in body and soul, the blessing of God Almighty, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost, be amongst you and remain with you always, through our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ.
Mamele Chachamele
Adom 106.3.
Only God can stop us now.
Adom 106.3. de my ma. Mama yena Eradi ase efise oye na nado yena ewo hoda mummy nyina nye so amen amen and amen eyampa oye na nado ye wo hoda oye na nado ye wo hoda oye Yehovah oye Eradi buyo oh yeah, nanado yeah, wohoda. Hey, senya ready na ya, mama Israel enka. Nyankopon doye nyina to do. But as ni pada sene no, bebre ni asodin, yenti jan. Men call si mi fio na ebe, men somo sima som. Hey, sister. Coronavirus no, edaso ho. It is with us. It is by us. Odofo, me fe ni agrawate. Nyame ya dona you immune system you okay ya. Chale. Se huye na me mfa ne amatia sa. Me de social distance no. Ana distance na me hu se ye. No, it's not happening at all. And see it is not working. It is not working. I am prepping no me pese. Mekasa na my bomb penifo bi di danke be ya anka yensama yen soldiers ni police no ensama akwan mu kakra wo mu samra akwan mu kakra na afa ye hu anu a ende se aba poncho ye kai na okọ me hey me ni etutu em se enu be boa yen enye saade a na ye be sei sika gu education a ye onima bebrebe na ye nte a ende the military the police needs to come back to the roadside. If say mami bin mo asodin, and my way bin masodin, and manti bin masodin, it will interest you to know so therefore up to now. Oba ko bema ho. Ema ni fio san kwa na bema ho. Ema ni fio san ko bema ho. Ema bema nso fio fio ba we ho ko ba we ko ba we ho. Enti eni mo wa ye hwe na. Say sometimes what was I would diagrosa when we are that serious. That is how death is. San owotie. Miss Remo, ye dear, ye be koso about the run at your mamma. Social distancing is very, very important. But I'm in some way. See, I left to ban partially kakra, and don't just say the COVID-19 no is gone. No, it's not gone. It's still there. Me pamocho. So let's keep our social distancing. Let's go out when it's important. There's the need that we should go. And don't let's forget our face masks. Don't let us forget our face masks. And then you remember, I 3 I'm used to. But I think within the day, from an apartment, I'm used to 3 in an album. And I'm say so I said, okay, my washing my hands. And that's why in the studio tonight, me share my marks now. Because with them, we were 3. And I should have taken 4 so that I never used to the last one here, but I escaped me. At least, and I mean, when I'm studio, my name is able African man, and he's very really far from me. Me pamocho, Miss Remo, mummy and yet come out because I will penny went me and ya, and Ben wouldn't do what she wets me. I bet with me I can't show ba, a bed with me I can't show you, a bed with me I can't show down for because one casano. Yes, my dear Yanya, one hour, you tooting go on about them in our bow worry. Hey, and I had throat beans near taxes being so no. Me pamocho. Onia, do humate, do wow, it's not for car, no, for the abbot son, Lipana pace or whoop men for. Say yen as human, ye decided say a car where a peso do, Nipa me as and for driver, said ye can one yen for your bone, dear, dear come be a number jam or more no mako, then a different car will come. A bit better say obey late than to be late. You who cry. It's better you arrive safely than in pieces. Anyway, Ubaba AKUMAA, Mama ZIMBI nie, Mia na meka chira AMZ, Mia na meka chira wo, obi ni hobium, and ODO AHOMASO nie, and emu be de ankasa. In fact, and me more voice be, voice is not bad home. Me hear 102. Sometimes both voices now, obi tell because I say juma no, who so no, by grace. We've been through the mill. Yet we've been through the mill, so we know what time it is. And me 1 2 1 2 1 2 be. But then the minute when you boss sang come on. Or the four under this COVID-19, no. A man may be abuse it or more here anymore. A you been so abuse or mukunu no more. Minia, okay? Sometimes so. Yes, it don't young concern wow. And it's what is some prime training my anya dear. Not the beer, there'll be abuse, the beer, there'll be abuse, the beer or babu, or bear at Tantai, they know the chocolate are bro, or babu, or bear at Tantai, or butu ayasi, or bedi what tongue go for mu, a dear, or bano to be a crab or no aji. Said they caught here with tea, and send the trade in Tino. One day, or bow well toss one will. Meanwhile, no, while for parents, or be in him say, what is our branch and say? Because we're bushing or be in him. So when it's our branch and a shisha ho, and now it's our bawan a shisha ho, and so Kuma will cool free. And come a coronavirus, we could be able to say, oh, now it's ho, now coronavirus see, and a kuno, and no boy better. Shane, the Bocacosha baby be demu. Bocacosha baby demu, no more slow poison, now woo, our bush for. Ehum chene yare abenti yeso obi o mu bia nsiesie ne de ntem mu nsiesie ne de ntem na wo de oba me de wasie baabi emi akakotu emra wa pro odofo emmoa yeso osoro eboa ne a oboa ne ho me sure pa say harvest fastness yenye obi biara de ne ho ahyemu eye pa say ebeye man shall not live by bread alone until there are times e was yetimi ma ye di ye funtu oma otudubonsu atuko afu nyame adom ade chi ochina na awie and so breaking your ministry international there ye di ho ahye we mu nyame adom there Monday is 7 days fasting and prayers enya agro enti so betimi adwane from Monday na egumsa fire we pray fire break it up here break it near fire na you say come on me da say answer ODO AHOMASO near the four in some way see egusu si well our dear mon niema enyono thank you our dear mon niema enyono enyaida dear denonso no enyaida disappointment enyaida and from prachiemu any our dear mon so enyaida but order for what do we want to erade so now one adwene wo say Emma Panomonsa, Emma Panoswamonsa, Nemom, what it will want share radensa. One can send to an among mount, one can say yes, our barn and mount, or one can say yes, our bearman and mawa. Ye ready on your dada for another four, obey ye amanaya fe, obey ye amana aye kama, obey ye amanaya and your yam share. Me cousin me frame. O see AKUMAA. Abrantie prosponi sa nyame ayadom se si I see nipa be 10 15 and I said 20 you bet me awore bet me pese ye na am so sweetheart twen ate e be yes wo be twen it pays to wait we enka ho ye benyamre ye be start come together as families again ye be in parties ni biom ye be nima bebre I mean there'll be a lot of celebration but when it's a test that everybody must go through it's mean ye men prepare ho send 10 months 20 ye nkoya awade and there be men prepare ho kra men prepare ho you still have to wait and come read mo na be say rade say papa be manu oni ana Papa Obano, Woniana. Some ba we no me fin pande ba kon. E din nana. Nini ye me fedodo. Na ho brasie ye. Said your sum nyame manage dodo. Said your bu ade bibi o pa me chow, bibi o yema me ntem so. Eye ono ana. Is he the one? Is she the one? We can always go on our knees and ask our Maker and ask our Lord. There's no need for you to rush in doing anything now. No, take it easy. Take it easy. Sweetheart, you got to take it easy. I say a bit more far, dear, when any man almost prepare promo, you know, almost prepare promo. Near me was sank out true boy. look, maybe she's not the rightful person for you. Maybe he's also not the rightful person for you. Undan fu nyina ware inti dey. Wonu ani mo nyina ware inti dey. Sister, and what's our dear here for 5 years, 7 years, 8 years, 9 years, 10 years? A woman. This is the time for you to go on your knee again and ask you, Lord, Father, give it to me. Near maybe a enkoye, a babobi at Siano. Yankopon we be in sa na kuma or henema. Nyamigu su henimo na all fear falling so. All fear falling a binum promises. He's fulfilling them. Now where obey your mouth. Obey your mouth. In fact, and then ADO AHOMASO, I'm just here to encourage you. And so I come from beginning up to now, you know. Me activate 4 lines now. I will say a friend here can't want them. I say a prayer do. I say we are sleep baby ya my and so any him say baby ya obehu ye di mrika ye di su ye pacho me nya ready oh me nya ready. I'm not ready. I am not ready. I am not ready. Can you give me a second? Can you give me an hour? Can you give me 30 minutes? Please, 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 please. I say exams. Yet me my revision week. Uber revise CIA baby. First time speaking about say that's the time now so me. Can I get some more time? And you I start work, stop work. Na fe na o wingi wedi ba akwa say vigilator na obehu anase ohun. All this time na deng na wo ye. All this time na deng na wo ye. Remember, say the first shall be last and the last shall be first. The rejected stone that the builder rejected became the cornerstone. Let us brighten the corner where we are. And who here say yedimrike tuo. This is the time wa yanima boni bia ye sheno. Wuna wunim. Nyemi na miniba me kai kai. Si yedibe sakra. Owe ni esi. Nipa oben wo pa ewu wani tua. Ade tramo wenwu. Ono ade tam na no wi. Wuna poli bibi and chapo anye kro. Obi die na bo bibi na aye kro. Ama diabetes ababe rem ekro ni wuda. Sister, baby, I would Jennifer and I would down who call reverse. I would yet your baby no. Obi Jennifer one or passing in an ebui. And in never atanta way you now waiting me a pass it through and I would see a see. Won't cause so fun come for near Seda and menya me. Uda so be saying me say ni re few ana. Ni re few. Aka ni ma back on. Aka de mienu. Aka de miensa. Aka ni ma nine. Aka ni ma bebre. Ansan we you are no. So this is the time we all need to sit down and think and do our corrections. This is the time. Yen sum nyame ye. I will say ye akumem ni sum nyame ye. This is the time. I will say timi ye niam boni fi akumem. Eye ne se wonfa nche no. Mani hu sa wodi a che no. Mani hu sa wodi a che no. Easter abetwe mako. As ye said, that's the time, Yankopon bewu. No, the cranim. Now, where? But the bonini in a chay, or the name qua abaji upon in Nara. And answer so sorry if you womb, he's the only person. Or no quan or Timiwu, na that also me and son or sorry. Now they also order life, Eda so bochacha. Sister, Nancy, the band was there, no? I left here, no? Now, Chromo, I is so quiet. A council baby so quiet. When is a crying accident? Because, of course, a crying with the hoe. And 12 but on your left, on your right, who's an or the cover, they say pine. There's nothing free. Baby, anyone, a yakwa was a see so. What mammy or woe? Obi a wo hwe wo o auntie a wo te ne nchen or say sika no wo ho say debi unso be yie na oba akokra ba abrewa wetimi ahwe no. So nothing is free on this planet Earth. Obi your papa now on can say unso ye ni bi no. But when you said debi emra wa ye mre emma ni koto dwemu adwo emma ni sisi ontimi nya hwe emma wontimi emma ni nsaso no onim said that time no angel wo do beba na wetimi abe saving a life. Acha. About 40 years ago, openi bi ni me bon komo na papa nankasa wewu na emma on me bon komo no na na yiri ewo ho na on me bo san komo no nyame adon yiri ntiase enne every week bia sman ko ho Wednesday bia Friday every week bia me pass ho esra maame no osmi baba AKUMAA won say futuo na yetu wu na wonante so no Yankopon sa daso ewo so me se maame ane na ke sa time no ene opani bi fra branch na ba we ne bon koma o ha adwen na we de no nim mumre twem na ekikesie no. But at that time no we listened ebia ni nyina ka ho adom no eka ho favor no ka ho grace no ka ho ene we are still in vogue. It is grace. Sister, unsu betimi aye a chance. Odi buo nyame suro ni kwaridie. Na wo tu bo ase e wo bibie mu a na wo jai ma Awurade so no antene emfama wo a oye e ma ne ye fe wate oye pa e ma ne ye fe mini baby awo te mini kroko awo so but via social media Facebook or YouTube but it's working enti minim say ugusu e hwe me e bia na bo bibi so ama e bia ba ma hwe so e di na betimi aka enti ka wi ase ba wi ya anka e kan se wonya hwe nko no anka wo be doje e pie sa wo be chantro ai wo ko ye hwe wo kwa ko nanim na wo daga so ko na akoto na e wo no ba wa wo me say mema be disappointing ma mo ayen ware mo no sa na ma be disappointing mema bi if isa hochire bi ba ye no ye tena fie 3 weeks yi no e wo no hu say sa branch o you useless sa me for 7 to sa branch o useless sa especially say wo be share ne ncha wantimi anya hwe nti no wan ka hwe na ma wo tena ase boko won say na open the course dey be branch no this is not the time for this. Now why any one? Now why any one pa? Because obi sao. Then see this cry went to me and ye amfama. O shada? O the so he. O the so share ye pa. And I won't so about. We ya konya so kwa adwuma no. Na wo dada na nim so no so abos pie baby. Hey, Florence say on be kwa adwuma. Se won so kwa adwuma ntia na wa hwa so obi sa twice so amba. Now into that 2 days now also kwa adwuma na wan kwa adwuma wo share he. Won say wo to ada ho. Won say wo to ada adie. So in a day woni ma enan enum eneda. In a day woni mema du eneda. Won say lockdown e ba no ho kire o. Won so bi ehun say de wo tie. Won so bi ehun say de wo tie. It is better for you to change. Nyankopon na homa no weja no tenten side so onyanchi kra onyanchi but ogusu jaino ojaino ebo po baby na wasane ebo po baby na wasane ebo po baby na wasane oba wafoe na wotwe mi ensen won se okunu ehu se de wotie won se ohun se de wotie pa enti so de buo amao won say no kasa akra asesa so afa no ajiwadi so wan ware sabi oba fun afa no aji won so edi sa sa menya ma be me yan wa me a anka boa bi echi mere 3 weeks obi ehu se de be me bi atie okunu bi atie se de oyiri bi atie Said the branch or so by me, said your bay no so ends and on to sa. 3 weeks see, or near my pie. Now, who's near the home there? Who's near baby woman? I know it's she woman. Ye be a cray, uncle page maybe yet. What does the assess? And I will be any minimum at year, and it's else the Biana Benya 500 no. Else the Biana Benya 100 no. Lockdown by experience, or be free one was that is. Well, training man so a year or 4 what more say? Mammy, I come at Mammy, and I'm saying, just as you know. And now, you see, and a paye. It's mammy, a she bonny, I would ma me. Ebe can papa. Me said, ye, ebe can. What are the bonny show ma, a can wo? Now the papa so show ma, and also, when you're home for so. It is a bear and cabomodia, so no may ebe cassa. Once a munya much more. Wukunama we see Catembia, Yajumo, lockdown by no area so. Nesans and Patama, what's in Obianim said ya wun yentino, when you're more and fibia. In Patamo ye wono. Said your Obianim said ya wun yenti. You said, ye, who want it, said be crazy. If you say, near my cross aside, and money fe. There's a small tester, a far the whole wide world. Other four. One saw Baba my request said you're not so penny. And so lock down your pie, what you mean saying? A 90-year-old son, and can you know? Anka abwebi chimori. Sao babano. And I would ya won't wait won't Toby, who you say. 3 weeks iba ye. Says you cannot me save ye no, and not the Jimonka. And I'm a boy. Anti savings is good. This is the time more. Obate bia bad rice and a bass deny yourself from all the good things. And then work hard and save. At the end of that tunnel, there is a brighter light that will never ever go off. For some empowered men, a show money more. I be ye at the amount. Now, we soon. Ye hey. If ye bim, Oman Timpo, say BBC. If you say, Oma prepare, Omo grounds ye. Omo dano ewo botana so. And omo tu omo bo esi ni ye. And omo ni Yehovah ni Erade and etsna ye. Et in frama ye bo ye. Insu ye to ye. Hey. Omante. If we say the grounds was properly prepared. Okay, hallelujah and yeah, amen. Ewie. Mama Antonia makakra. Me sure say ma me kan yinayi. What I'm watching so. What kai can name be? What kai can name be? Oh see sir. O me ba me the bebrel. One fam rest na 2 weeks 3 weeks etwa mu. E ba e kra de wo hu ni kra bio. E bi kra dwane ko mu kro nko mankra. O mankra obi a na mo koye. Enso say nipa no, e ma na wo ne nam no. O mama hu kaaye, o auntie hu kaaye, o nana hu kaaye, o papa hu kaaye, o mate hu kaaye, wasoefo hu kaaye. Enso wante. Udofo kesi a wanye. Onipe hu wasem. Onipe wonye. Onipa ti say yemfa ni mafie. O mama kaayo. O papa kaayo. Wasoefo kaayo. Wajuma mfo kayo esese wanhwe ya ube hu amane wanhwe ya ube jiwo wanhwe ya wani begu ase de akeni nyina wante baako o se hwe na me na mo ne me kasa no ada ababo no mo bo mame ada meti unche ko suku era di wansem niemo kan dia minti yo Menya be ma menini bewu. Menya oba menini bewu. na wo ye den na me ni be oni wi sister woni wo ya na wenya ho ankore oba foforo wenya ho ankore ba ma foforo pamocho. It's about time for us to think and then do the right thing. Let's say the kingdom of God first, and all other things will be added unto us. Amen. It's a wonderful word of God. And ODO AHOMASO. And always I know I preach gospel to all of you. Midanyamia say adofo nyina obi ehumi AKUMAA ya de ye wo de ye wa ya de o ni ma pankwa na de ba ODO AHOMASO se ane ni ma pankwa na me de ba ODO AHOMASO esikafo heba product ya me hyase mbo hu dawroi obi biara otimi tu anamon ekobo bi toye no odofo eboa no ye papa eboa ne papa bia na the first time wo hwe ana wutie ODO AHOMASO me beka esikafo heba product di amount odofo tie ne ye na de obehia we di mu bia no wabo mode yakwa akokoto ejase se de ebie ye enti wo ye ne man tentem na afei wabo mode ase obekofie na aboa wo ye papa na say nru ambebo su nyina no ukọ eye Harrow's Herbal Shop ubenye bi ato na Naboachi Shop ubenye bi ato King's Workshop ubenye bi ato Angel Herbal Shop ubenye bi ato na Adom Herbal Shop ubenye bi ato and afa Richco Herbal Shop ubenye bi ato na yedro ben and mekoko shop si menye bi ato eno ni esikafo gentleman capsules imema nkentike nyina amoye week omuni ahoden eba mpemu a omuni ahoden se omo abonte omuni onuama de na wo mane amaso afa edu dem ama meso aye mama hunyudumi aye. And then we see it as say, but if you am me shall say bo, sikafo, gentleman capsule see, many abako to be a man kuno. Bemananka sanka kuko be, or the share could have been on my santi, game no soon no besh, hey, and the lockdown 3 weeks by now maybe soon. Omotia, na maybe tia, na maybe tia, na maybe tia, and no, and tea, sikafo gentleman capsule, so dear Mr. Wuni. 18 years and above, ye numbi, why, Mr. Papa, to be maybe uncle be num, a bebow, a ma bema, with me, a bema, ye papa, a bebow, so sooner, and teasy capsules and so then ya grow. Now bema new Roman also choco, na sent in ya dear. Who pay me to a lockdown by ye, or pan a party manner, just our confidence level about up. What's me dressing anyhow? Just a wee near man about getting it on. I had no bike, start where I know I just say, why you so confident? And we anti AC capsule so much. I wouldn't my boy, papa. It's easy war band be a bone in a bear can a baby him. I feel to be coefficient, so it's easy, papa, and my year to year. Yo. Escafo co capsules on so dear, papa, go ye dear, who ye one, ye who ye, when ye beer, a beboy ye papa, who sees ye or ye ukoto jet, ukoto unti me and ye a mamma will be a piano, a clearina, I'll say. Pepe, sounds to the scaffold galley capsules into the improve my circulation and my mojano it's me through a sunny come and my system to be beer a juma say come and unti scaffold galley capsules the bomodian soboka pianum a bebo papa sana scaffold my ring so a bois and my ultimate d a come and pedia dear also ultimate dear yani Adriani in so Adriani pa Adriani a ye. And young wedding there be Adriani a ya, a cohunum driani moi. A cautious now we exercise. That be a cautious shimu, na I say, come on. And Tiesca Moringa capsules on the 4 Bomodia Soboka Piato, ne ebe boa papa. Mr. Wo, so your bar when you. And I saw war far back, and I'm more battle for me slow, and no man conco baby. Aside that, no, we be rabbit in Yakako Toby. Now, wafa, Ebianens would tear me the decline. Now, pay to Akko pharmacy drugstore, and now pay to Akko. Ukromoko business dear. And one fraying. It was 0244096465. 0244096465. And I said 0244314211. 0244314211. Na ye at ye. Or the 4 and who be here papa. And sound rono. My last week, last week's American. Sir Emma, yet say a coronavirus no. na obi biare hu aka no entu pi be bia he ebi no kwa di nsuo ene samna esi kwan ho opese ni nua ho ne nsa sesi an se atia da kakra no shops ha be ko ho a ye de ayi Veronica bucket miensa sisi wo no sesi ba ko na be bi omu de esi kra no unhu mpo no aka se wo hro nsa odofo sesa nipa na asesa won so sesa ba isan se won ko shop won ko to ade biom e so onwen ho sesa ni sika ho na odwen onwen wo ho sesa ai onye wo ho the COVID-19 eba ye omo toto omni anso ni man ka me ntohwe wo mo obiu sesa go and get a new customer. Life is precious. And see, they've been doing enthusiasm. Any soy, any soap, any sanitizers. Somebody see way. Say, sister me boa, bra me boa, mame, auntie, nana me boa. Who is a bio? Kakre be pe and omudiso. But majority of the people, no, almost say someone sano. They have changed. No more if you say, see, you know, if you as see swa. Why? And my patrol, my dear. And I want him. Say nipa kra tenants no shop attendant no that person's life is at risk because nipa ne buy no ba be so near anymore attendants work ko sie near no sometimes you the shop owner kan so ba who so near ni be sie and to see ananse no sie ho sie do nyankopon ayen hu no na nipa da se hu no face to face yent me chene sa odon de aminua and the one na utu amna. Let's all go back for our first love. Odo ene tsema ye di nsuo si kwan ho eho samna eho tissue Misrel let's go back and do it. I say si enhyehyɛ aduane ya bebre yi omo ye mo hyehyɛ aduane obu okra no at the normal time no ope bi di kra o ma ope bi woni niti o man time ope bi di kra o ma da enso ye mo nyame so mpaye. So omo to say nyina COVID-19 ba ya omo share sa love nyakopon masa odo no enka so na omo na nya affect obia around them na ye ento ye me da say mama nko Facebook na men kenkan ni amane kakra na afi ma activate phone lines sta maw na wonso waka wasem de edi wunya de ejojo wo na me adom afi next week no voices no mesa come back to it baby obia wo tie me wo hwe me I salute you. Minim the ejiji war, minim the air war, but sweetheart, let's talk, all right? I'm here for you. You're also there for me. Okay? So let's do it together. Yeah, money fa. Ene enye fe. Na bibia enye come. Ti mamen call aye. Let me see if I can whoa.
My name is Sheetal and I am from India and I love listening to AKUMAA ZIMBI's radio show ODO AHOMASO and everybody should listen to it. I love it. मेरा नाम शीतल है मैं भारत की हूँ मुझे बहुत पसंद आता है जब मैं AKUMAA ZIMBI का रेडियो शो ODO AHOMASO को सुनती हूँ सब जन को इसको सुनना चाहिए
Makuma tini shio asyo wasi keshio hwe wutie na na wadwodwo ebi mu se yeduro hwe ne voice grab bom te se fonton from obeso wani ni shio ansa na bia so form ye ye fe be Berima Sydney utie AKUMAA ZIMBI ewo ODO AHOMASO aha ne de
Mama Zimbi, Miguel no, Onyami abono set ofi, Mafina no wapi, Mishia no ODO AHOMASO, Nidoni musupi, Semi unu anamewu. Ye femina na kontini, aha anadru ye de. We ye ODO AHOMASO, e bosso twisi bosso koso yaso. Oh no! Te AKUMAA. ZIMBI, ODO AHOMASO.
ukotisa
sa and so average size
ojo mo kotisa mo nka say so na mo average size
me be no mo susu hweda so tia say omo ni average size nti omo susu say omo kotisa so abeto bi ho
Dr. Chen
counseling
one person na so kotisa na oba na start so complain
say me ni average size no me susu ye no me kotitintin ebremo 6 inches and average size the thickness no unya between 4 to 6 we okay me 5 inches into the average size
maybe doctor who dodge me what's what we koti eswa
me see before no someone na me ko school na madwe me
but sana na your body baby ana kai
debi me amadwe na bibu
oh okay they koswe me be say wo dodge me
debi dodge
mate
enti no na me kusua na me hu say me okay na chimi hu say me ama me nua no me ma bibiro ho a almost so esu so tiase na say me ye me kusku ni do echi na me be boa
na wo kan isusu na wan kasa na usu ya na so hospital ni isusu ma because me nim some mom kote wapa na the ring she baby
there be otise the ring a show be kotia na chese oni akono owo yare bi e fe no venous leakage so tiase
venous leakage
yes and I say easy come easy go that means abe ma no the kote brem na ko hwetwe mu a na ajo e te se wu tie na tuku bi danche na leaky fa ho
na wu balu
exactly into one call urologist for ho na e de kawa ahye kote na se sebe ya be trapo emuja no into ni twani wi a na weyi enye se kote ne esu se oba bi entimi ni enu nti na ye de sa rubber ne hye ho no de bi obi akasa obua ya kasa obua eye venous leakage.
Okay, venous leakage.
Exactly.
It's a baby be a ring show cotton. Then yes, as soon as soon and yet brana or pra name or problem.
Venous leakage.
Wow.
Sanity.
What's the Bema? Opposite soon cotton. And then the best is to take any permanent.
I know.
Take measure.
I know.
Any money, Meman. Me mo yire ana plan koto tape ma tape de uko drum baby abetini atobi na secretly no Jesus oh na rule and so
ruler be high but tape yeah more convenient than ruler
oh okay
ususu ne te ebremo a o no ususu ejususu a ususu a wenya between 3 to 5 inches average size
meba enti se ususu ukofa tape no tape measure here tell us any interest only pomade and the information and to go to school cotton is sorry ni susu I was say
average no say between 5 to 7 inches we nya 4 crown na we to use because a twanu on the first 3 inches no and sensitive
meba o say o susu average size I was so nya
average na between 5 to 7 we nya 4 crown na okay
4 is okay
yeah 4 is okay because a twanu the first 3 inches no and sensitive if you are calling you sensitive na oba any tampon ehye na se a down hopa no want to because sensitivity be any ho
sensitiveness
first 3 inches no hold on sa share oba say first 3 inches no and air sensitive if you are calling you sensitivity be any ho
na ho wu ana
but nerve endings be any ho kese so just nerve endings ni ho kese kakre bi na ho but most no nerve endings no wa no waya and nothing about this me about me this me she na ha no aka twi na ne ho aba about me bu so we gu ni twati fi na ne ho aba wo bra kote so nti ma de sie mo ba ne ho ba nti ya be ma na wo super kote kese a ura waira te akuma
say anaju and na edie no nsuye kasa edie what di me ma na me dodo me ye penya ne sada aka me pe enso be ma koti ya premature ejaculation teyakuma no zimbi ODO AHOMASO Aha, now when it's so crystal. Aha, na educative. Aha, na all the information's now. Aha, so na entertainment never. On Zakotia, a wire tintin and my channel no. And yet, I'm all feeling. Nemo Sabema got a sorry. Near 3 inches, her baby, it is good to go. You understand? Inti yen no man money be a 1 4 year kunumwa. 1 day or no that flat or some my yasan and kayasan. Now, yeah, we don't enjoy the much. Now where's so hang it secretary now? Oh hang it now put to hang as kana yeah. I said that the lumba 111666 now what tobo what the cotier what the womb 1. Now I heard name was shaking hookah 2. Now 2 by 2 on 2 if you want to 2 baby fiana was so that's why you make the love. I had a mouth as it is. I had a more in your feeling. I had a mom who said about Jihuafa. I had a member who said, yeah, oh, but grip enough. Now I done down with Nina. You know, yes. Indeed, I'm the love and sex doctor. I got no classmate. I'm just here with you. I mean, cause on the corner Facebook is why you're dead. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Wow. Nana Akosia says, good evening, AKUMAA. God bless you so much for this advice, for such advice. May that say, Papa. And now 1 GH says, good evening, mommy. May the good Lord bless you. This is okay, Elsnate from Accra, Medina. Greetings from my parents at Asasoa. Okay, yo. In the eastern region, God bless you and God bless you more because you make time to watch and even bring your comment here. John says, good evening, mom. The only AKUMAA Mama ZIMBI, I'm watching you live from Hacho. May God richly bless you for this great job you are doing for Mother Ghana. And may God bless you too. Felix Bell or Doha Carter, I say you will never get this advice for free anywhere. Yes, indeed. But I give it out free. Baby, I'll sign few minutes, but on your time, now 2 hours. Now, what's you now taking note? Sweetheart, your love will just be sweet and good forever and ever. So keep on watching and listening. Yes, so unless ODO AHOMASO, God richly bless you, AKUMAA ZIMBI. May you live long to educate us always. Where Felix Bell Doha. Felix Medase Papa. Hetimi says you can do it physically, mentally, and psychologically. Sure. Yes, we can always do it. Patrick Nete say AMZ awesome program. Thanks for the advice. God bless you. Watching you live from Pampram. Yechumio mami bime ye kanye samenye. Beauty say mama may God richly bless you more for your good advice. Sharp. Some of the things I make can't show no say baby o mama ko on can't show. O papa kwa on can't show. O sister opinion ka because on no kwa any breo. Well, obisa yenyan mo mebia. Your first bonds na obi any woman no. It took grace for them to be where they are because only penny bia won a name. Oh, but chance men for her. But in mo mudi na chini de. Ne brothers ne de ultimate chire wo mo because ono wa for those in soremo. It is a penny be the name. No more advice. Please take it. Yeah, oh, you guidance angel. Just take it. But mo be the advice mo kra monte. I can't say train men for my bema new and keep your virginity that you not die. Nothing will happen to you. I won't tear see it. And nothing is for free. Nothing is for free. Yo, Madam Papa. Okay. Achu Emmanuel says, God bless you, mommy. Thank you for your good job. I like your program, pa. You do all. I am Emmanuel from La Paz. La Paz on what it says. Selassie say, may God bless you and your team for a good job. Love you so much and I love you more, sweetie. I love you so much and more. Richard says, I'm watching live from Turkey. Great show, mama. You are fantastic. Keep it up. Keep it up there. My greetings to my darling wife, Mercy Otua. All right, Owari, inside Weja. Tiana. Because my Michia won't hear me pa. Be a girlfriend say, oh, good. Work, God bless you. Watching live from Italy. All right. Opata says, Mom, Mom and my wife watching you. Me and my wife. Okay, Mom, me and my wife are watching from Italy. Sharp. Nicely from what I know it is okay. All right. Hetimi says, preach the good. And now you are preaching the truth, Mama. Thank you so much. Watching it from Chicago, okay? Florence says, good evening, man. God bless you. God bless you more. And the issues, Ben, what things I've said, the blessing I'm taking, the favor I'm taking it. But what are your issues? What problem be I can? Because me has to phone lines now. Eben yo biana. And they call number 3. So if you have any issue, just put it here and let's keep walking. All right. Okay. Vancity says, I am really enjoying your show, pa, from a me who didn't know facha me. Jabba says thank you, sister. God bless you. You more jomo onulo. All right. Hetty me say you can't be fed. You can't be fed up. No, never. You are my younger brother. Oh, please. And I make kind more comments now. More so count. Charles Edu says, lovely mom. You are always right. Tell them to stop. Oh no, brother. Oh my tea pa. Oh my tea. Girls and the girls should stop plenty talking about small issues. Well, because they don't have anything to do. They got no business to do. And niyama who here, petty niyama who here no. You see them wasting all their energies on it. That time will come. Wasted years, and that's the time you see how foolish you have been. Okay, Nelson says, God bless you, man. God bless you too. Yeah. Oh, I've never been I'm married. Are you new? I'm married 27 years and more, okay? Don't ask me that again. Atta Prosper says, I'm watching it live from Pando Oti region, okay? Medase Papa. Joshua watching it live from Tema Community 2. Hey, me community 2. Okay, Ibrahim said, that's my lovely mom. I like the topic, Medase. Also, Patrick says, I'm watching live from UK. Mom, thank you for giving us this powerful message. Bernard says, AMZ all the way. Sharp. Yeah, was it AKUMAA? You're blessed. God, keep the fire burning. I'm burning it hard, baby. Frank Akko says, watching live from Ashiman. But you don't have any issues? Okay, Eric says, Nana ZIMBI, I'm Pastor Eric Badin, and I'm watching you live from Takrady, Shama Beach Road. What is saying? Obapa Ifya said, thank you, Mama, and I thank you too. Nana says, good evening, Mom. Good evening to you. How are you? Hey, yeah. Quick Otto says, Mom, please, something is tormenting me, and I'm fed up. Can you imagine? I started masturbating when I was 17 years, and now I'm 20 years. I'm still in it. Mom, please, you help me and the audience. He's been masturbating for 3 years now, from 17 years up to now. Augusto masturbate also per se buano. First of all, wait me a break here. Well, send me text message or Facebook. It means you wait me a stop it. But when you are shy to talk about it, it means you can't come out. But wait me, send me text message. The first step, you are stepping out of it. Now you got to empower yourself. I'll not tell you to go to any counselor to do anything, because that counselor is going to take your money. Now tell yourself, yes, I can stop it. Obi bia wo ti bia mu a hwa enye ma wo. So ye krono, se wo pem ma, se wo pem ma, se won kan no kre. Wonim say how? Okwesa ne mani nya wia e how? Onua ka kire wo say kokoto adwa now. Na ka kire rade say papa fa kire me yi me free. Now God will do that for you. So masturbation is not good. Masturbating yourself is not good. You are weakening yourself. By the time you get that lovely woman to marry, a bano and pemagra, your performance in bed, is not going to work. And no, is really going to disturb you. So stop masturbating. If it's friends, or movie, or your imagination, start reading the Bible. Start calling Jesus' name and take yourself out. My dear, you can make it. You are 20 years, you can make it. Because there are some friends you can ignore. There are certain foods you don't want to eat. There are certain places you don't want to go. Baby, one person will call. One person will yen. What I can say, only pack what's all the boss of fan channel. No, it's suit. Yes, Sana, we will be out to show you. And now we are near my tongue, Tabino. Catch on side of my minion view. And Baba also come on, get off. And you can do it, sweetheart. My dear, you can do it. And to start praying, say yourself that God help me to come out of this masturbating, and God will certainly help you out of that. Okay, sweetheart? Yes, you can. By grace, you can do it. You can just do it. Thank you so much. Regina Matthew says, good evening, Mama Zimbi. God bless you. I love your show. Regina watching it live from lockdown in UK. Sharp. Okay, Ekria Asabia Cropper says, I'm watching live from the Mama, you spice up my marriage, okay? Live long AKUMAA. You improve our sex life. I love my better half, Glover. Love you, baby. You see, my spicy my sex life. Oh, God bless you. Said because of this lockdown, coronavirus now, this thing will soon pass away. Now, my sensual and beauty enhancement program. Now, yes, we are still celebrating multimedia 25 years. I'm also celebrating my 20 years of ODO AHOMASO and my 20 years of multimedia. And the program, dear Babaso, coronavirus, so the baya may activate will sense part for you. A bohana ne chabano feeling no feeling ne lip no for name. We just today we will just activate it for you as a pa. And just some small money. Then we activate no operation, we just activate it for you. Once and I was sexiness na ba or try na ba we you fire kesena flat. Baby. But aren't you checking? And you checking? Yeah. My sensitizing places I say heavy. Come on. So at the Panamedimano, Audrey says, I'm watching you live from Jamase from what to say, meaning so be I salute all of you, all right? Emmanuel says my network already about network about why. Desmond say AMZ, I'm feeling so happy watching you. I salute you, Desmond. God bless you. Nana Akosi a chance say from Kumasi, thanks for your program. Hey, I say for right, except via Facebook and T, everything is going on well, all right? So let me stop calling me. I'm doing a show. Stop calling. Who say me? Yeah, they now frame me. Stop it. That been on best son. Who say me? Yeah, they say I now frame me. All right, I'm back to you, baby. And I'm pressing me at 24 lines. This is here. Now, Fede, you do your Jones. Some are Kenyan. For all the account. For all the account and call. What is some there? How? Or you or move. Who could then walk? A branch and was said, dear. I said, then, woman in the winter or German and call. Let him go. Let him go, right? Hey, Mamma Babia and Mobile Nisikano. There was this girl or the letter true. Me say, man sign, Bemana sign Bibia, so on your panichoa, or mano 10,000 Ghana cedis. Now on fan coin and what dear. Now one so a signer in 3 years' time, the Maso now or dear mano. Me the mechanic some on yet. Because she's only 25 years. And a guy near 29. What I say, a 25-year-old lady, no. Well, no one is sick, no, and family never quite one day. I told her no, not to do it. But I'm asking, what band of cancer and Gadina back no. It doesn't work that way. Please, man in Adao. Such men, no, some of them, majority of them, no. Why a year, baby, you a few class woman is scabby. Remember, baby, the mark Omuntia. Sana, my baby, so the member be Comuntia. Now, me, one for me, you be on my tea. Or bannet me fem Bemanisika. Mamma name yen a juma, a duke rena or the breno, or banasu here or Joe Beman ho, a dumino or the breno. Bibi a coso come. Now they would want to be yes, sir. Now for so they are so free. There's nothing free now. See, Emma, I'm in there were 3 things as I say, dear, there's nothing free. Me activating phone lines immediately. 0302216561 0302216562. Bomodiama or radio volume in my form. So with your phone so lower the volume. Now for fry, you can just come up straight. Now afayen ko. AKUMAA ZIMBI near AMZ. Baby, I will be. I salute you. Me sure say you are still washing your hands with running water and soap. You are using your hand sanitizers. Hand sanitizers, you know. Me pa cho betra care mo na be door no. Na dia ye wonsem, na dia bie pon no. Na what trans be sin so de kakra is not dia bie. That's how we be a insuo. Samle si a wash wonsa. Na be boa. Minia wash wonsa. Ghana for ne ya dia e wo ye ho kra. Me ma kwa ba de bo da AHOMASO.
Odon so.
E da si o so fu ni bo ti say.
Moko.
Adwuma ko de.
Adwuma ko.
Da yesu ase.
Da so wani tia say ye wo loka.
Okay, now we went to me call him. So dear me say. Yeah, so I said me person.
Say ya loko me.
Yo, Mate. Open it you.
AKUMAA. Na me city me put kakra. Na Ghana frontier she. Ayi a say ye mfa enkata ye hran.
Ye hran.
Uni say the way you use no de ene nka yare no mu ye benya. Wo hia wo bi a wo no obi nkasa ade ni tuana no kama. Wo sade so no be kasa pe no yi ato na podua se. Na one wo kasa. Wo wi a no asa atoma no. Ade Jesu ni nipa ne kasa fa ade ni hye wa no yen kase yitu apodua se. Na ni nipa ne kasa. De to sutu wo sha no bra no yi ato atoma bonten. Sase we me koso akasa. And this any time I hear we consume ayofo. Adwuma o mu benya ne se. Sa ne ma no ko no mbepra. Ti Ghana fo mu ti ade ne se wo hye no abra wo kofia fa ko hye bolem. Na hye so be hye no so ahye no. We yam fa mpo abonten. Na so Ghana fo no bi no mu suban bi. Mo de na di wo sa de hum de ya de ne benya de a. Se nyanya no ti de benya. Ana de to so bi mo me de rese bi aba no. Ene nsemo a wo kekai. Ese libraba yari ma enso je bi abeto yin ti esra ware for ajobreo omye ne boko obabi ama be me bia na dan ne be me bia so mo obabi na dan bye bye.
That's papa na me also na on shrawo. In fact, face mask send there media ma can't time and again say ebe ya wan kasa pamwa de won wo ma. And they say, normally I may for 4. Me use within the days, normally me share my come on shame to make a kind of my son. But me use 3, and I don't want to come and use it again. What I say? 81 kasa yeah, and then you are confident, Zawosha. Me ma kwa body about AHOMASO.
Malonzo.
That's a baby, now would you be free?
Need to do that. No so wow.
Where are from what to say? Oh, yet you young cock.
I saw your program na ewu cross pa online so. Nti no be say obi ntokun ya no abona ma so o meja tani. I say me chi program pa. I say o kan me na ewu so fe no. O ntokun ya pepe bonna no ma no o meja tani. Nti afro. Bye.
Yo, me da se papa sa wo ma strategy yo mate. Me di super. Me ma kwa bo di ba AHOMASO my dear. So sorry. ODO AHOMASO nie with your one and only AMZ and AKUMAA ZIMBI. And then I can't send me bray. Money baby. A lot of videos about out. Yensu ye now we have on say papa. Some of the maxes no obisa candle me try. And me dear no. Me share say me so candle na me hu a enwu. So the thing cannot portray. And to open bia no betime the my friend says Steve medium one no. Chant man another Steve medium one not to finfin and sound the line and not so. And then when you blow it papa men can the toto Kumasi kweton big brother will Kumasi my sister no. So Kumasi face mask on 2 CDs and can 5 CDs. Aden. Aden. Most of handle ni ye. Obo ha or dia share yes rubber mu fine so go bia emu kan me nua mento do your own thing me ma kwa ba di bodo AHOMASO fire Yeah. The God of Pagan. Papa Joseph.
They're breaking a group, breaking papa. Yamin sound. Now, Veronica Macatania, you do a home, my lady.
Who will be home?
You,
Mate.
You are not for you. That's Uncle
Mate. Say, I left a banana crown on Mama Z Foundation, yeah, a preparation with the employee for a team. See, I can't share a crown for Kakanka, cranty, me by a briho, me for Hona made over Veronica bucket, bro. Why? Latte, meba. You have crown for the latte, meba.
You, Papa,
oh, Betty. Yo, bye. Oh, yeah, Mammy Julie. Special elderly woman who see a lot of programs or contributing. So, oh, deal. Me pacho office. Hello. Yeah, me papa about the border home as a sweetheart.
Oh, what don't you mean? Watching.
Sound so, Papa. Me pacho tobo na kasa. Ola ni breaki. Enti tobo na kasa. Why, mame?
You okay, pacho kinenka. I'm so she mo.
Tobo kakra na udin maybe afrefin so.
Me the mama Rita. Because Lego.
Oh, Mama Rita is like where that's it you.
Let's say a branch na or so to trade the man. Na idea so who do actually. So obi dia we stadium. Yeah. Because sperm na egu from no. That moment when the spirit are no jina. All Saturday the realms. And two days will be wajuma awo na ye de man because of this subaya. Next friend. Na onche the meaning. Tino pose. Ne dachi insurance no. Obefi sadie. Na me shaw pa no no kesi.
That say about Tampa, was so show. What to booty and was a fray into Adom 106.3 easy. But Yamia don't know, don't run at me, Bem, Madam Master Papa, don't run to your messages there for Facebook, making canny at their mamma. May my quabble about Adom 106.3. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, may my quabble about Adom 106.3, my dear.
AKUMAA.
Hello?
Yeah, hello, I'm Pacho phone you.
Oh, F4 Medakuku, F4 Nama.
Maraku, my left phone.
You are quite Nama. Deku, F4.
Yo, AKUMAA, you made it. Mr. Sound, me voice in Wofu. Oh, AKUMAA, your brother Bakwa, your fan of Fair Radio, Divia, and Jemo, and Opayano. But your friend Baba Lasa, or Tafresia Shama. Alasa.
Oh,
Alasa, woo.
Oh, so rest in peace.
Alasa, Takasa, no political shows, no most no Takasa.
Me that years all contributed.
Yeah.
Oh, and that's what I'm proud and I'm one.
What's it?
Who do you might see that?
A Muslim. I think so.
Okay, for you too. Chichura.
Yeah, AKUMAA.
Chichura.
Me for Indawasi. Ni Jema Wuka. AKUMAA, the kind of the person he can fa Bama Black Nibe Warino, the Tunia say, offers Kamano Warino.
AKUMAA, in 3 years, I'll wait for Yanakano.
Me Panicho, AKUMAA, Miss Me Trans over Chipa, more Fasikani Manune, Enva Manuchna. AKUMAA, Anke Beye Pase, Obano, Obetini Sikana Manu, Babin Denti and Dicas AKUMAA. Odonu etrasia sidet yo ana ewunso a sidet yehwe anka obai bi skebe manu ebedu gadi na kasakasa ba o de manu be ka trenze ade ena ukwa na man sika koyo hware mi for so se man sika utiasi na ka obadi atika ni ma be manu se oji fa koyo bi hware dia yen be Ghana fu be ma de ebinum ye boni ayefo ena chese be man so di oga man sika so yi on ye no hwade no onu de be dra o be dra ni mu se o ni kra wo na fo so man ko yo hwade enu tra di ka no ante ye fa so be ma no ba enmedio wo be hu ni se ayo ba da chia senti ki sister no tie nya ni sire no on twen ko sita mo ba ni ka sa nya ni sika no fa ko ye no hwade
ana second one so be ma na onu so o masa page ni de meshere no akuma sa ade we de bia mika tama ye wo school ye gina sa de we ye school ni ye hu say ye practice bi ni ma akuma obi bia ni o even so from pa bo bia ni fife won ka so na de ni tra ho no wo decide so be jai akuma because when decide obi no be ti ma force am ajai anti black no so o ye sa de ni say o pedia o mun ka sa function ni say ade no ipese bi jai anya sa akuma he upa ye from ko transfer for ni ati ye tufu ye nyo say the what we nan ka sa cycle wo say won ka so be jai ni dia and the brother ade na wo di tra oni ati ni dia won ti ni jai ti ni sere no onu an cycle no dia mi me kanu mboa no so onu aka fa decide say ade on ti ase say o tra ba bi to no wo sa de ni bra ni mu pe on pie kwa bonti ko so ti ni ko dira bonti je mo sa ta no gari wo ko gari ana sa de ni ba o trin unti no on fia say tem bi obetimi amia ni ase wadi no so ma Cynthia ba cho ba bi awo bi a Australia na blo chifu amotie mi nyina no ina fofo mi nyina no de mi ra de mo fancheni
yo o mate ye da say papa efo ye da say entry boss yako friends I'm watching live from Alberta Canada. God bless you mommy and God bless you too. Canada for mo to say Montreal for mo ho ete say ye chechia mo nyina ebusua kase ye chechia mo nyina. All right, Tina say I love this program watching live from UK. Auntie Tina me da say papa Charles Edu say we boys and girls now check the beauty content instead of life capacity. So forget about the beauty and check the person's life capacity. Me ma kwa body board AHOMASO.
mo don so
Me da say udi me bia frefe.
enkum kase tama
Me da say na mo te say.
na me adme ho ye
Open it here.
sanitizer no obi no mo tweet na pempem no su esa hodin die ni bio nto be wie no na yare mo no aka kwakonya interest for no mo authorities no mo tu go follow for so sanitizer no ye tie na pempem ni ye ni sa di su be nto ano esa hodin die ni
Yeah.
na person no ela first ina wakaya no sister na o say be ma ko no adi awe to ashe de test da no
Yeah.
ela say be ma no oni sika nto officer dey that time ni be to fa to akoye a obenya kama ayiniti to be ya on boka ento person is that time no that time we to ma wan here awan ya de obeye
Oni sika o so ba ni mani sika. On fem ni sika 3 years back no.
I'm talking about Christian also ko wan na o twitter da
O tu sheda ena afei na guy ni so person ye but man can story ni nyina minimum relationship no ntina also holding on kakra.
Okay.
Ni ma bi na ho ni mu na ho.
After you sport for no be omo bi ni secret go to sport ni to na so juma go say ya tuma so ye juma ta ma ha ko to papa until Ghana police so mo ye juma dia na no mo dem wani down mo ye no na yare ni titi abo me da se
me da se papa na me kan usisi ananse usisi wankasa wo ho sports bi wo ho be ka se toast na ye ton se o ma start ton by force o ma start ton jom niama ti no mo de si na chire una wo kun ho wa na otutu amne o me ma ko ba de board AHOMASO
Adom
me da se udin be bia frefe
apache sakole
yo mpacho yenko etio
apache biko marta achem me animu on enche on omana for ade normal and also no fa nanka
yeah when you na ye kra won send twesi man te ba kokra
apache
ha jina ye kakra sweetheart
apache
ya kasa
me tene ta de ye hon onye edi buano
Ebacho yo yada se papa AKUMAA Tedore say AMZ I'm watching live from Dodowa Ayikuma precisely really this is the time we have to sit down and do our corrections perfect yo awanya Doris mochumi me ma akwa ba di board AHOMASO
mo Doris AKUMAA
That's it, sweetheart. Wouldn't baby free.
AKUMAA how
You me patch your costume mode, the yanko.
maybe not say.
If I told my ready for my phone, crabby, now fake us.
Madam,
Ha, say, yanko.
lady not now one can say. Only them are the other say. On one become one on worrying. AKUMAA. Be a company. Then man worry. AKUMAA, they're worrying. Let me get a thought too. Then maybe my mistake, and then my or someone AKUMAA mistake. Let me solve AKUMAA. Are you for I didn't take a toilet car. What?
Oh,
engagement. Land, AKUMAA be
I said, when I open this up by Yanamboa,
AKUMAA,
I now do sick a crochet, Musa.
The other baby.
So you are not thinking right.
No, I was not thinking right. AKUMAA, you are worried for 4 years. And then you can say, our enemy were junk calling years. Some clanny baby, so rebellion, AKUMAA. And yeah, my friend, we can't even about them. We just have mistakes with that. So sometimes, although you pray near so to be the right thing. But actually, not mistake. Study. What do you see me? When you are victim, to tell me a single parent. It's called every month. Every month. When my friend is attending to the social plan, not to so fine. You were human show, to make you on. Many share baby. You don't know what share baby. What do you think? Not me, I know the idea. Mammy friend is done on colony. They cost me in AKUMAA. They missed them. You catch me about the family panic chunk. And then you're about to be about one. But for 2 our enemy Gua, Ebian is on ya. AKUMAA made them a piano. I can't meet the senior way planning to put some into my background. About it.
Yo, yeah, that's Papa. Yes, experience is the best teacher. And to me, the Macanian said no, but make us some in the better said me this would be auntie, me that's Papa with your okay, Yamin Shaw, Papa. And so me that's say Papa. And then Marie, and man, before someone need to do a catch. When I can't say we'll catch. When I can't say we'll catch. If you know, I sworn dinner, I'll catch. Meanwhile, baby, or Bema Tony, worry no. Nehuma swa on in swat, dear son say, a busso for the moving till me say, oh ye are a kawaii, or ye be yes, somebody is got a caution, and this is a bomb, and I'm for and then Saobano, when your Bema grandma sends or arson a peonia. Oh, no, Nancy, no way, or Cobo Crano or the only Bicuna Cowie, Ebesune, Untimin to bedding gra. What to cry the poem in him, Ebby of a nipper bear phobia. So, it is sometimes a fault. Time neighbor was here go your home. Not in my man chair, the net your full say a tea enough for, and I say, or baby rejected baby, because a baby ban why penny, why honorable be, why skinny be, why also food, why prophets be, why manager be. Only big companies and no one will TV suddenly you much the same bram. So sign up baby so reject your baby and so and your boy mask for your can when and to be any see and quite ready near Misano or no cassa Annie Annie or no cassa Debbie Debbie. But sometimes you know ye about say me Emma only and kind on him be bremo. Me ma kwa body board AHOMASO. That's a bad man now, would deem baby free.
It was a family linking boy because this year some English.
That's it, you.
AKUMAA make a kappa and when almost a bit.
All right.
And put to the camera to me, then on pump and the bobina albo. No man in that never on class or some passer in Norfolk. No,
Nyamimwa, the bay. When Akuma near to be in the same assembly, you will be more big problem top of all. It's any audio WhatsApp, but I don't
my share audio's near Dawson till I'll get back. Don't worry, why?
Okay, Yamisha.
So, no audios in the Dawson, Papa. I'll work on all of them. And Timu de Munya, but Sekra and from Mammy. Mema, quite body board, AHOMASO. Maybe I shot him in can. Hello. Peter, what's a man can? Okay, Entino. Hello. I already didn't my phone kakrawai, my dear. Yeah, hello. Maybe I shall make someone can't take us away. Hello. Hello. Wow, on Timin can't. Mema, call about the board AHOMASO. Maybe I shot him in can. Oh, no. Okay, yes, hello. Oh, so sorry. So sorry. So sorry. Yeah, man. Hello. Yep. Hello.
Hello.
Mema, call about the board AHOMASO.
Adom.
Me da so din baby afrefri.
But you have my do.
Yo, yet you. Oh, on so intimi anyina so. Oh no. Intimi anyina so sorry. Me ma kwa ba di board AHOMASO.
Adom.
Me da so din baby afrefri. Okay, my dear, yet you yanko.
When you show me my family, you can't show me something to the say. No, very different. At the front, I need to know what this is happening. But if I know what you do, I'm not doing. And I'll come to me, but when you never do one thing, then what you have for everybody.
Ida mpacho kama asem ni ye kakra wai.
Me pacho ni ye. O person o ye ni o ba. Es como cuando se me dice, ay aún no. So now I will need to do it and find it. Porque no me dice que no no cosas que ya no van bona. My
Wow, me can't make say the old kind and I made that me because well lie nemo no emo so take a cry no inside here and there. Enti jina ye ka crabby na fe tubo na kasa. Why odo?
Aha,
hello.
Hey.
Aha, say dear yeah.
Now so so very the but me to young I but everything
African, please listen to her and tell me why. Solamente African, listen to her. Maybe I told you now, so African in Tio, non can't still I can't hear properly. Meaning say Tier 40 me 80 a year. So bring the next caller, let's see why. And so that particular line is something. If you can put in a next caller. If not, I can go to Facebook and then read some messages. That would be great, right? Okay. I don't know. My line no let me just go back to Facebook because there's a lot on Facebook, right? There's a lot in here for me to read for you. Baby, I will be out of me that say, watch me your dopa, watch me your door. I will go so eshe na utie the aircraw. Thank you so much. Okay, Mami share away. All right. Stephen Annan says, hello, Mama Zimbi. How are you doing? May God bless you. Today, you are beautiful. Oh, I am beautiful, brother. Me that say. Mochum, you are watching from Italy. You mochum. All right. Rahel Thor is the God bless you, mommy. You always educate us, and you always look gorgeous. Thank you so much. Thank you, Rahel for it. Papa. Nana Akosia. I say good evening, Mama Zimbi. God bless you so much for your advice. I think I read this once. Come on. Yeah. Whoa. Okay, Raskuku says, Ma, send me some message, please. I need advice. Okay, what is it? Let me know what it is first, right? Oreku said God's time indeed is a burst. Medasi papa. Ramos GA says Zimbi. Medase. This one say Mama. Okay. Abba Apia says, hey, you are doing great job. Medase. Watching you from Maryland. Hey, Maryland from who actually saying Maryland, Mr. and Mrs. Dear. More Maryland. Ruby, Maryland. Mi chacha businya Maryland. All right. Nyamicha says, you were hitting the nail right through. Thank you so much. Dinah says, Mama, you are too much. You do all. May that say. Raskuku again says, I didn't message now. Okay. Paddy Selassie said, thank you for your good work. Paddy. Saminya. Stephen Anna born in Sam Mommy. Okay. May that say. Hey, now I see your face, Stephen. I can see you there. Okay. All right. Thank you so much. And to move on messages, I'm making kind. Nina and Mamo. Thank you so much for making that wonderful time with me. All right. But topic of the day, no. And then maybe some idea way. And to just get ready about a quarter to 12 for no. Me pono. Maybe sa a same way. Hey, how women feel about multiple sex in a day. I would say no in a day, no, or percent or didn't more multiple sex near the end. It's a member and quite fresh. And see, and fans a weekendy, and ma, you fear, you can't tell you fear, now, or you know, person didn't more, and I'll feel it saying, how do you feel it? Me, my crab about AHOMASO. Okay, right. So let me just do this. Just give me a second. All right, just a second, right? A second. You got to kiss me, baby. All right.
Akuma mama Zimbi. Oh yeah, Akuma mama Zimbi. Oh, Akuma mama Zimbi. Say, ODO AHOMASO. Wednesdays and Saturdays. Listen to her on Adom 106.3. Yeah, checking shows that says so.
It hurts to love someone and not be loved in return. But what is more painful is to love someone and never find the courage to let that person know how you feel. Maybe God wants us to meet a few wrong people before meeting the right one, so that when we finally meet the right person, we will know how to be grateful for that gift. Love is when you take away the feeling, the passion and the romance in a relationship and find out you still care for that person. A sad thing in life is when you meet someone who means a lot to you, only to find out in the end that it was never meant to be and you just have to let go. When the door of happiness closes, another opens, but oftentimes we look so long at the closed door that we don't see the one which has been opened for us. The best kind of friend is the kind you can just be with, never say a word, and then walk away feeling like it was the best conversation you've ever had. It is true that we don't know what we've got until we lose it, but it's also true that we don't know what we've been missing until it arrives. Giving someone all your love is never an assurance that they'll love you back. Don't expect love in return. Just wait for it to grow in their heart. But if it doesn't, be content it grew in yours. There are things you'd love to hear that you would never hear from the person whom you would like to hear them from. But don't be so deaf as not to hear it from the one who says it from their heart. Never say goodbye if you still want to try. Never give up if you still feel you can go on. Never say you don't love a person anymore if you can't let go. Love comes to those who still hope, although they've been disappointed. To those who still believe, although they've been betrayed. To those who still need to love, although they've been hurt before. And to those who have the courage and faith to build trust again. It takes only a minute to get a crush on someone, an hour to like someone, and a day to love someone. But it takes a lifetime to forget someone. Don't go for looks, they can deceive. Don't go for wealth, even that fades away. Go for someone who makes you smile, because it takes only a smile to make a dark day seem bright. Hope you find the someone that makes you smile.
Yes, indeed, it's my prayer that you always find someone that will make you to smile always. I am in Pai Bossa and Ribiano or partner one in the one you don't know, no, and Ribiano or Yebi Mamma Motimis Resre. I mean, it was for moi, uni et che. Yes, but I was so take it time before you say, stay away from me. Oh, yes, so I don't know, that is great. Okay, many abana na war friend I maintain and then my African tea or just say or ne a brand bishi share ho omonim omo fonomo na omo ye preparation se worry na ono oba na we notice bibi and it say maybe obeko a brand tea ho ya wo say ombeye awafui na course baby bread to the be obedum ni phone no eto baby nso a obepie akwakotie sa call no na ema ono oba no emfele comfortable na oye investigation kakra no ya ka che ne say ono ope ema grow man so pen asem entima onwe about course na onya at that time no but there are certain times o call na we nya call kra no and they say be ma na dum ni phone no enti so kwa so obeso enti those calls no obenya enti obisa say on tin ho fi mana because bia na nipa ya okache ne se o agro keke no nya na hwe ne danfo bia kire omukọ ware a na ade ya baba ha no so o jealous pa anti no on pese bibi o feel say wo hokwa na onya call na uncomfortable speaker na on te nipa wone no kasa no onye comfortable so obekọ ne ho na wadum ni phone obekọ ne ho na ni phone no be ma ni phone ring a on pick obekọ ne ho na be ma na pick phone no sometimes na ode appear onye so comfortable enti opese ye ma no ho adwene enti as you listen you call into the show no na o ka enche me call no na fe ma ye bisa question about say in a day na o partner or your bar she enjoys multiple love making in a day, you know. Yeah, what I'm saying, man, no become more. Now, you know how it is. Inti Ebeka Krano, maybe activate that time, no, not yeah, the akonisa, and I think I have some few minutes to do that. But I'm if I buy 2 or 3 calls, na yanko na fe yako on that. So the enemy Rebiano, multiple actually. So when you did your head though, someone to see what dream part now you're ready for it. You don't want to stop but you enjoy and want to have it more and more because you understand love making. Okay, African ready, bring the calls in here. In my car body board AHOMASO. Hey, under the sun, under the moon. Hello.
Good evening, mommy.
Good evening. I want to sing.
Yeah, me.
Oh, I am say we new. Auntie, Obeka said, "Oh, Basua, me ma call about the ODO AHOMASO." Now what you say ma odon so. Inti me ma call about the ODO AHOMASO.
Ma odon.
Me da say afa na wakasa. Wo pese obo odi abodi, wo mpenso a odo koso.
Mfa chobe ti.
Yo mate yanko.
Mfa chobe. There. But what me?
Well, and then my style be African. I check maybe I will send you in the corner. Because a bit me a club so a style be. Maybe I talk as I'm here.
Me patcho. Oh yes. No.
Oh yes, that's right. Go ahead.
But I said nothing because after there has been a lot of problems here in even recently, we did after 4 years, but recently, my husband went to commit some maybe
maybe I hold it. Oh no, husband, where about 4 years in it? And after 4 years, what's it then happen?
And never be oh, recently, my story because lady
no problem, go ahead. Oh, my sorry, say lady be then.
Lady be warrior for the past 2 years, making that and so lady was consigning to help her. But I realized that even have scrap lady make friends. No, because lady not our area, almost for no, or back another very not about I had a type of thing, and I from about 4 years back. Yeah, I do totally that's about 2 years. I'm a bit man, or should you? But it's like I think I have to react again. But my excuse.
Okay, what just say we know kuna why 4 years. And an ex-wife asaba back.
And then ex-wife lady I will know share no pan.
Oh, share lady no pan. And I say so babaji ukunu. Ana ye ukunu pan dada. E bia no ne girl be dada o. E bia na ne girlfriend be dada. It's no early 60s, ever 70 hono na enyu bi wo ho. Wo say, "Alomo ye malomo dada. Rosina ye malomo dada, Felicia ye malomo dada. Oh ye malomo dada. Oh ye malomo dada." It may be kind of correct. Sister, me yes so line no. Emu breaky ekete. But Jimmy na we ho. Na what's up lie? Na ye record man I mean tie mu ye. Said I can actually give you the advice. But me say tie for tie that can hear. I don't know. Say see no me lie no as a breaky kakra. Are you okay? Okay, but me mean to can ye. And to the channel my way to me WhatsApp line. Na send me voice message. Why? Right. 0244.
1 second.
Okay, sure. 0244 261200 0244 261200
261200.
Yeah, 0244 261200. Person me born no be frame. Mo kra mo ye dem for. 0244 261200. Okay? Right. Ubetimi your voice and you and then you send me a text message why your voice and then I'll look after you, okay? But take it easy. Just take it easy. It is well, okay? I mean, shut up, Papa. Nyanya mo call letting me about 3 day ebe ye. Share. Yankasa ya man, they be ameko. Yes, I mean, kasi e ho atamfo. Yes, share wa kwan ho. Na say am papa so the be me hihye ho dada. Na afa na wo share be me ya. What is this? Mami for my last caller, let me call into me other things. So, me ma kwa ba di go da homa so. Me da se be me na wo din baby afrefree.
E dia wisdom every children.
Say that again.
E dia wisdom. Na me for every children.
All right, yanko.
Na me for I be have it for
Yo, my name right. Say me line no me nya basa. That my name right me too.
Okay. Okay, me na how this. Me to the past. But I'm saying the past is on the past. I'm a ma. Please, I'm going back. You know I can't see. Me mama is good. Me mama I know this happens there. Me mama is pet. Me mama is for I was
what's the one your baby share open a pan and the mammy say on pedding?
Me mama.
Wo mama said ye.
Also, me no bet.
Mama so pay about your nasem.
On penna.
Adetia.
Mama mama. And I'm not. Mama no can not do much. Me mama me mama yo also. Okay, mama.
Then I may lie me pa Eddie and Crania.
Hello.
Yes, sweetheart, go ahead.
Oh yeah, in that. Mammy in the house. The person a high. If I'm come and you, the face is better. Or see you, the fridge, my bar, the very guy is my. We send with you, my friend, we meet with her there, Manjana, me my own.
Hey, what's the media? Last part of me to say, what's your Juma, but when you're all sitting?
Me, let me talk about that. Mammy, friends, I'm in the drive here. And I'm every face better.
Oh, besides, Sophia, you know, you're beside then, I'll be there.
One beside some bed, and I was young court, and I was so excited because me, oh, my.
What Jerry that? And also, Quaco Jerry, and also Uncle Jerry. And I was so Jerry that. And also one in Uncle Jerry, I'm a winning.
Oh, mamma.
And I said, oh, how you romantic. When you pass over, I say, oh, sometimes I am ego, no. Oh, money from Kakra. What Jerry that I was seeing Koneko Jerry. It be how kind of romance never started. So, this occasion may guide that day. So, there would be a by it. Yeah. Oh, it's only you need to know. I am when you're romantic. Why? Shall one know you could Jerry a romance? What I say? Because we want to talk about said what that the job, over job, and now or cotton, I started preparing. It's Mr. Woody, I catch and say we are sorry. Why? In my way, and young Tokabia temp. Why? And so we are sorry, Pana. When you are also funny buffonti, if you never quit, the only nan a big Gary. Why? How much we fear and ask some alcohol hiding?
Oh, Mary.
No more to fear a Monko Jan Swan, or over there, the Jan Colonel, I will be brother. Mujari come as me di back. Mujari we are di back. Once I had a chimney di bear for. Tian, why romantic a cry? And my way in fact a buphobia and Mephi. Why? That's papa. Me for call a baby. Me next caller a questioner. Maybe I be south. I just a few minutes ago. At the later part says, yeah, no, me lines na I basa, but I'm praying, sir, it's going to work. Make to me, not me the aye, you must see, and I sorry so, Emma, come on. Baby, I'll be a would see me, sweetheart. I love you the way you love me. Yankopon Mwao, Ukonko to January all the time, just pray for me. I say how women feel about multiple sex in a day. How women feel about multiple sex in a day. It's yeah, man, Mumfres is here, and I'm in connected. Young me about I met me for about 5 calls before I go. And I say calls, it depends. Young how do women feel? Am I saying multiple sex in a day? Honestly. So we your bar and I will kunu or the mediano ti diasia. Jesus. Hey, umre. And funo. Never you like it more. Because Bema or T a diaseno or ma or bano or hush. I must start yet now or de or to me phone of Monsa now one bar. Now it's a open finger and swear a day. Now ordering say make a boon more is fine, not in Saba, Kumi, no me and son, no chain, no the me no chain, not the me and son, not sometime or the when or the grano sa. Hey, yeah, hey, and come on, it feels good. It feels wonderful. It feels great. It's make you feel on top of the world. And Timon Frame is a CNA. If you can pick the calls for me, please. Young friends is CNA. And how do we feel about multiple sex in a day? Mwah! Charlie? Hey. it's sweet. It's nice. It's very good. It's wow. I'm first sorry. Emma bia cut down. Emma we good. It's mum can show me. Young oh baby bia bet me afra because so bane pen be man so you good. E man me nyina yen fra yen ko. Hello. Be man na di oba na. And oba na ni che multiple sex ho. Enti oba bet me afra ma ka say shale. Se be man ti ase pa na me ho ba na ba to so sa na sister. E ya na nya grow. Enti oh everybody can call husband or wife. Yen ko. Yes. It's good. Mwah. Yeah. Enti no yen ko dear denie. You do be a no. Menya. Oh, Jai. Menya. No, Kakro, mommy. Papa. Me ma kwa body board AHOMASO.
Hello.
Ma kwa body board AHOMASO.
Oh, don't stop.
Me das maybe e do dey say we reach e dey on ho baba atotwa so no e na feeling it say sweetie
The person I've listened Akama.
What do you ba ne ho aba ntotwa so da
The name is na utum se na na am kwa na ya
ne de pa ho
na that's another actually
me that's Bema na friend say come on next caller please yan call shabo me ma call body board AHOMASO say dino so sa no ana to say multiple sex ana to say who didn't so sa no
now my now when you are born, just you don't manage to make us don't manage para. The you are important the many born picture to us. You going to say the man only that
hey, photo kaka grandma ho ye yiri.
Me ma me don't need to babia.
Ah, what's that opo babia?
Me see, me ma me don't need to babia.
Okay, o ma me don't no. Opo babia.
Me to babia me.
Baby, who do baby say? Enti we worry ma hin.
Oh, she said the new one is here. On say me ni pa bia o. The new baby o no ma. O baby a hu me pedi.
Hey, when they check me me that say. What they o me who say o de. Multiple love making sex and there me that say. Next caller please. Let's move it. Next caller. Then cry. Yes, next caller. Maybe it's Facebook so I can be about the multiple love making now. Hello. Mema kwaba. Okay, hey, I say the mommy don't to do baby wrong statement. I say do baby saying. Hello. Yeah, hello. Okay, let's say this is a beauty say mama stop calling the line me kan ade munya de mo ye no African, you're not concentrated. He's busy. He's working. Yeah, hello. All right. Additional my I'm for Facebook there, why? Me ma call about the board AHOMASO.
Hello.
See that?
Yes, madam.
Young koi.
Me better me kasafa multiple love making.
And no na making man and quantum see young koi.
Me patrol the wife. Okay, sex.
Ziana ne ho bato ato aso na wo di no ko ho.
Ma, you do.
And to say.
They say, okay, Kevin, boss, baby, you are the best. Oh, you know, that account, oh, be one and now. So, say, my boss, the whole day, say, Bema. I just said, it's now also the amount a day, lockdown, a day, me and the whole day, they live and I'm paying 5 times, 6 times.
Oh, yeah, and it happened once a while, right?
Well, I mean, averagely.
Oh, okay, that's great. Now, wife, what he say?
Me say.
Oh, sweetheart, I'll be honored. So you for now, sweetie. Tell me the amount who you would desana. Oh my God, don't let me down, baby. I just love you. Mwah.
Yeah.
Oh my dear. Your voice is killing, baby. I didn't know who you would desana.
Oh. I already did, yeah,
Maybe be a door. Into ODO was our home.
Down.
Wow, and see what did you say? Baby, I'm waiting.
Yeah.
Oh, sister, now, did you back on chance? Oh, yeah? That's no, I said, I was here for a I say, Fafa. We are dead, Fafa.
Actually, your friend is saying, wow.
Oh, my God. My cousin be a prophetess, oh. Me my catch them was me a prophetess by grace. And me prophet that catch them say you.
Unya catch wala no be enu.
Because I want to be enu. All right, sweet. I'm married for how long?
Part of 5 years.
Beautiful. That is how marriage is. And what they say that here to be the dead say the moon team man from Muntemi. I told been so na atiapete when it gets to that time. Now in case Sad and running by Munya will tell my home what thing.
But
me pama chopper, me domo. Bye. Love you to the max.
Love you.
And I knew you. My very last call on this one. Hello. Hey, sister, no we do. So did you for I said your meow. Whoa. Become meh. No become boo. We go, whoa. Oh, in fact, I did a party. Yankopon or Yadio. Hey, Miss Who back and only baby. Oh, dear, 1 year. Who said the West, let's see. Yeah, and can come with me in a motse, a dear Asia. Tea, I what 5 years. I'm more dumb. Oh, dear, 10 years, who dear 1 year. Sasa na ye beto ye wate adashi my mama nka ne bebre bebe emredi e was set me da wase na ye nka hu se eye coronavirus no e wo ho say you know is the new COVID-19 and it is there. Social distancing, let it happen. Wear your face masks, wash your hands running water and soap, and then wear your masks. No hugs, no shaking. Oh no, it says you can't me show be asumo Debbie. Once when you're offended, so ban or say quite and then because show be me modi. Na girl never change say please, social distancing. Now I'm not them say wala. I for be say oni memu ano na me what time be buano. Yes say ade ono so kan max kan on shebi. Ebi no pa de. And I feel one thing. I am say I don't know why. Nancy penny for me bre ma be mu kojo na mo market get di machi for what? Huh? Na mo di mo ma be di machi. Obi onam na okura we ana e mo house am get sa no. Me pam sure this is not the time. Mo man kola ni ntina fie. Na ma mo nkoye hard work na mo mra. Mo bia ko dwoma na be mo man kola na adwuma ofie. Obeba na waye na ba check. mesra mo papa mesra mo afa ma wo kwa ho hia ma wankasa o life na ho hia yo nyankopon de odoyen yes so soro bua de obua no ho aka so ugya ni nyina ma no de a ono onye sa de no let me tell the gospel truth nyame adomo a ye be hia within the week Reverend Presinya Kwaba na Reverend Presinya Kon minim say wa wife translate and never know Jimmy we are then maybe sound so far as our beautiful daughters and sons see na multiple orgasm to say have you had some before
Akuma
yeah
and flamenco so to
me do back flamenco na most for say we dey won ade e ba be mu dey say eno ano ana
yeah
say oba you see God's creation if you are enjoying each other na enjoyment na menya miss menya I'm so kakabo say no so menya e na to say
Akuma no
leaders this is not temptation
Akuma
yeah
next week me the answer
Adishimema Jamama also for Prince Nyako to continue with the race, and I know he's going to give you the word, and the word shall set you free. Na Ian Toye na Bibia and Yakamasia and Uja Batana Amobia. You need to synchronize with it. Na and you're so nice and beautiful. Okay.